Hi, I'm Mike from Hunter Technical Support Department. Today we'll be talking about replacing the riser seals on your rotary style sprinklers. As they age, you'll notice that water might start to pass between the body cap and the inner portion of the rotor. That may be due to simply age and or debris wearing down that connection from the seal to the inner cylinder. But today we'll be showing you how to replace that seal. To replace the riser seal on a rotary style sprinkler, simply expose the top, unscrew the lid, and you'll be removing the entire inner assembly, leaving the body cup in the ground. Okay, once we have the inner assembly of the rotary sprinkler out of the body, we are ready to replace the riser seal. Here we have an example of a new riser seal, the hard plastic and soft rubber. And to remove the existing riser seal, simply place the sprinkler on a hard surface. Stretch downwards the sprinkler, or the spring, and you're going to take the palm of your hand over the rubber cap, use your 4 fingers, and you're going to lift upwards and snap off the top cap. Once the cap is removed, make sure to keep the spring depressed in a downward position. Remove the soft rubber riser seal first, then remove the hard plastic riser seal. When you put the new ones on, you'll want to have the channel facing downwards of the riser seal. You'll see an interior channel. That goes downwards first. Then you'll take your soft rubber seal with his channel facing downwards as well too. Fit it over the top turret. And you want to make sure that you slide that last rubber seal down below the seam of the turret and the body. Then you'll take your cap. There is a press fit plastic seal around the edge. Simply take that cap and force it over the top, and once it clears that top press fit seal, you can release the pressure of the spring and the riser seal swap out is complete. Okay, now that we've replaced the riser seal, we're ready to reinstall the inner assembly into the body cup. And to do that, we're going to want to set the positioning before we even drop it in. We know the nozzle is here, and on top is the radius adjustment screw. So that lines up with our orifice. And if you notice, if you hold below the turret, you can rotate the turret left and right, and you can line up that orifice down this 90-degree line. And if you turn it back to the right, we know that that's already on our other 90-degree line. So that'll be a good spot to drop these teeth down into the body cup. Once we get them down in, the teeth will lock in place, and we already have our rotation lined up left to right. Simply tighten down the body cap and your rotation should be set.